What is addiction? When people hear the word addiction, they usually think of drugs or alcohol. According to lexico.com, the definition of addiction is the fact or condition of being physically and mentally dependent on a particular substance without being able to stop. According to Healthline, there are hundreds of addictions, from drugs to shopping. The truth is, people can be addicted to anything. The top 3 addictions in the United States, according to Addiction Center, are tobacco, alcohol, and marijuana. Tobacco is legal to anyone 21 and over. Over 40 million people suffer from this. Drug abuse states that nicotine is addictive because it helps calm nerves. This happens through a surge of endorphins and reward circuits in the brain that causes a slight brief euphoria when nicotine is administered. The high is briefer than any other drug, but it is fast-acting, which makes it so addictive. Cigarette smoke enters the lungs, and nicotine is absorbed rapidly through the blood, then delivered to the brain. So nicotine levels peak within 10 seconds. Active effects disappear quickly, however. Because of this, the cycle causes the smoker to smoke regularly on a regular basis, constantly. DrugAbuse.com states that 6% of people trying to quit will be successful in a given year. Most will have to make multiple attempts before they are successful. Much like tobacco, alcohol is also available to anyone 21 and over. Alcohol Rehab Guide suggests that alcoholism is the abuse of alcohol. People who suffer with this feel as though they cannot function without alcohol. Why do people drink? People drink because it feels good, it helps them overcome with anxiety, cope with loss, because of trauma, or just helps them relieve stress. Some of the risk factors for alcoholism are, if men drink more than 15 drinks per week, women 12 drinks per week, and if you're a binge drinker, which means you drink more than 5 drinks a day. Also, mental illness is a risk factor, such as depression, anxiety, or bipolarism. An estimated 88,000 people die each year from alcohol-related causes. It is the 4th leading preventable cause of death in America. Unlike tobacco and alcohol, marijuana is not legal to just anyone. Marijuana is legal in 15 out of the 50 states, according to DSA.com. The red states are the ones that legalized marijuana. Marijuana is used to relieve stress and to be relaxed. Marijuana can be smoked and consumed through edibles such as cakes, cookies, brownies, and gummies. Side effects include mild hallucinations, hunger, happiness, and reduced anxiety. Mental effects include such as social intolerance, paranoia, feeling as if someone is out to get you, and depression. According to Addiction.com, physical and psychological consequences include red eyes, dry mouth, mood swings, increase in appetite, memory problems, and sleep problems. Even though marijuana is legal in most parts of the U.S., it's argued to be safer than alcohol and tobacco. Addiction affects millions. Many might not realize that they are addicts. Even though the most common addictions are tobacco, alcohol, and marijuana, it does not mean that the other addictions are any less problematic. There are countless addictions out there. If you or someone you know needs help, call 1-800-662-4357 or visit samhsa.gov.
That was so good.